I'm going to show us how to design for our inverter after successfully taking your load into consideration. For example, you have one TV and you have 5 energy bulbs and you have one refrigerator, and this is the load you are going to power. And let's say your TV is 70 watts. Let's say each of the bulbs is 40 watts times your 5. Let's say your refrigerator is 300 watts power supply. So that will give us 40 times 5 will give us 200 watts, and your bulb, your fridge is 300 watts. In addition, what we have here will now be 570 watts. Now, how do you now calculate to know the inverter you use? How do you now know the inverter you are going to use? It's your total power multiplied by a constant of 1.2. Total power is 570 times 1.2. Once you multiply it, your answer will be 684 watts. And most of the inverter we have in the market is rated in VA. So to get VA will now be 684 watts divided by 0.8, which is a constant. You will now have a roughly figure of 855 VA. And guess what? There is no inverter in the market that is rated 855 VA. So to advise, I will advise you either get 1 kVA. 1 kVA is a 12-volt system, so you buy a 12-volt system, 1 kVA inverter. Thank you guys. This is a solution to get inverter rating.